Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. This is actually the second video that I've made in a day, and I put this Jeffree Star Pink Religion eyeshadow on and this foundation and everything at the crack of dawn this morning, and look at this, it is still holding up. I did have to touch up my eyebrows and add a little blush and a little more lip, but that's pretty damn good. So while you're here, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. We're on the way to 1,600 subscribers. And as you just saw a little peek, I got my Boxycharm Premium super fast. Hell yeah! The gods are in my favor. May the odds ever be in your favor. We're going to unbox this Boxycharm Premium, which is a $35 a month box. And I get it almost every single time. But there's supposed to be another takeover box, but it's going to be by Alamar, and I don't think I'm going to get that. That'll be the first Boxycharm Premium that I will skip, if it happens. Because I already have a bunch of Alamar stuff. How much more do I need? That's my question. Anyway, we're going to open this up, and it's packed with paper. It was shredded paper last month. Premium! Premium! Woo! Lots of stuff in here. We've got a card, and is the writing tiny? It is so tiny. It is like a cricket. A little cricket could read it. Like little Jiminy Cricket. He's also our conscience, if you remember Pinocchio. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things today. And I don't know how. I just kicked my toe. I just hurt my toesy woesy. Get the calculator out because we'd like to know the value of the box. And let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. Let's stop, have Rhonda rambling on and on and on. This is cool. This is La Rousse Beauty Face Discs. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly. That's really saying a lot. How's my ego? It's just fine, thanks. Eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads, and contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. It is versatile, meaning used for different types of application. $24. Let's pop a look. And there's 3 of them. And they feel really soft. And bamboo is the future. And, you know, these are great colors. Black, white, and gray. You can't go wrong. The white one, of course, will be stained if you use it for makeup. But if you use it for maybe, you know, morning cleanser or something, I don't know. I didn't make it the box. I'm just riffing. I don't think I'm gonna like hardly anything in here. Oh man. Let's keep going. Let's see. Maybe House Laboratories. I love House Laboratory stuff. The palette is really good that I used. And this is the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. House the power of your own creativity with this virtual. Once again, my subconscious is talking. This versatile, multifaceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. The weightlessness, smudge-proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered as blended as so your eyes always have the spotlight, building up creaseless pigment. I'm just making things up. Intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down. $20. Let's take a look. Let's take a peekaloo. And this is in Rose Bitch. That's right, I don't care, I'll say the word. Let me open from the bottom because the other end is taped. And we got cats in here making noises. I didn't bother to shut the door. It's the end of the day. You'll be seeing this soon. Look how pretty that is. And I've been doing a lot of just swipes of color and eyeliner and mascara because I have to wear a mask at work. Ooh, that's super pretty. Ooh, I love it. I will definitely be using this on a work day. Wipe it off before it sets. But that's great. That'll be a perfect kind of thing to put on my eyeball. Then we have the Osé Malibu Sea Mineral Mist. I have so many face sprays. I literally can count probably 10 face sprays right this second, if not more. I think probably more. I just keep getting them from boxes and things. And this is Osé Malibu Sea Mineral Mist. Balanced and soothes skin with supercharged toning mist. Osé's proprietary blend of nutrients, rich seaweed, visibility, skin tone, evens your skin tone while minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish the sun-drenched skin. Microcloud mist is ideal delivery system for plumping radiation. Hydration. It's not full of radiation. And this is $38. Let's check it out. Before I'm all like, I've got so much stuff. Rhonda complains that she has too many wonderful things. I almost dropped it, but I caught it and it was going to land on my foot and make me cry. It's been a very painful day. It's been a really high pain day. Let's take this off. And it's a toner, so it's not a setting spray. But I'm going to put it on my face anyway. It's refreshing. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. Alright, I can use this at bedtime. Just spray it on instead of using a regular toner. Actually, I don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. Then, see, and I'm about to pull something up. And I know a lot of people swear by these things. Swear by them. Think they're fantastic. Me, meh. 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 It is L&W Rose Quartz Vibrating. And this is the second vibrating facial massager I've gotten this year. I got one from Ipsy, but this one's Rose Quartz. And it removes eye pouch, rejuvenates skin cells, relaxes facial muscles. I'm not even going to take this out. Oh my God! Can you see that? It says suitable for all body parts. It vibrates. Suitable. Do I need to go further into that? If you're really stressed out, you could put it on your neck and massage your neck to get some relaxation. This Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the results of your skincare routine. Mother of God, $79.99. That's redonkulous. You can get a vibrator much cheaper than that. But it doesn't have quartz on it. But that's what they're saying. You can put it anywhere. Oh my Lord, I've lost my mind. Have I crossed into like the demonetized zone? I don't know. Persona Cosmetics Dream Stick Bronzer. I'm not a stick bronzer fan, but I've got a nice bronzer here from Persona. And this is a clean, lightweight cream bronzing multi-stick formulated with skin-loving ingredients designed for all-over sun-kissed bronze glow. Available in 2 shades, and it is $26. And this is in Sahara. I'm going to open it from the bottom. And this will probably end up in a giveaway, and it's really, it's a very nice product. And a lot of people love cream bronzers. I'm just not a cream fan, and that's pretty dark. But you can blend it out to a really sheer consistency. And, you know, I know a lot of people who would love to have this. Love it. I'm just a little whiny girl today. I'm a whiny little bitch. It's been a long day. And then I have, I think I chose this, Wishful Honey Balm. And a luxurious textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock moisture in for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. $49. All right, let's take a look at it. It's a little peekaloo, if you will. Trying not to tear it up, but this is something that I would probably like, because I like things that are kind of jelly textured. Ooh, just got some on my finger. It's like iridescent. It's very pretty. And it does have a very faint lavender smell. I got some on my finger. So I'm gonna put, ooh, it's got a good texture. It smells very, it's got a very light scent. So that's pretty good. So for my $35 box, we have $236.99 value. Let's just call it $237. And we got this nice jelly stuff for my face. We got the personal massager. We got the Sea Mist toner. We got the cream bronzer. We got the House Labs eyeshadow, which I'm really totally excited about. And we've got the little puffs, which I will totally use to help clean my brushes. So I got my $35 worth out of it with the stuff that I do like. And I think it's an okay box, but I just wish I could just have a check mark that says don't send me quartz crap, because I don't think it really does anything. Other people believe that it does. Don't get me wrong. I am not speaking for all the people of the world. I am not knowledgeable in the arts of stones and Wicca and mystical vibrations. It may be very powerful, and I may be blowing off something potentially fantastic, but I'm just a little cynical. But that's okay. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you've had a great time with me today. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, nice lady.